Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix a corrupted SD card on your Android. Well, fixing a corrupted SD card on Android can often be achieved by reformatting, using a computer to repair the file system, or using dedicated Android apps. A corrupted card often shows symptoms like missing files, read-only status, or failure to mount. So all you need to try to do is simply restart or reboot your mobile device, which can fix file system errors. The second thing you want to do is simply head into your settings and then look for your storage. And then inside of storage, right over here, all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into your storage, then your SD card, and then you want to simply unmount it, and then again physically remove it and reinsert the card, and that should fix it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.